Our topic for this event is on telecom towers. Telecom tower is like an operating plant or a building with multiple tenants. As you can see some antennas in the picture, tower typically equipped with power distribution boards, transformers, voltage frequency converters, cables and cable trays and other equipment that require electrical power supply. An owner of the tower company has the right to erect the tower in the agreed place and civil responsibility on the installation of each tower. It then also rents the tower space to different telecom companies. The owner of the tower may or may not be a telecom company. There are over 300,000 telecom towers in the US only.
The primary source of their problems is that there's no reliable information on actually what is installed in each tower. Information is spread out over many locations and different entities, making it difficult for the companies that own the towers to get access to immediate, trustworthy information, to efficiently plan expansions, plan maintenance, enforce standards, track changes, handle multiple works or projects, to save money, such as for the use of expensive drones that they currently need to create a picture of the asset's current status, and to have, most importantly, a network-wide view of their data.
So the solution is definitely to implement smart electrical. And why? One, because it provides a single source of truth to manage all the tower's hosts and tenants information, including all the drawings, reports, and related metadata. So single source of truth, it's money saved for our customers. The second one is, of course, you can store supplementary info like vendor documents on tenants documents in any formats like PDF or DWG drawings. And again, single source of truth is money saved. The third one is to create automation. So automations can be created in order to predict or trigger any action automatically, like, for example, forecast towers to be inspected. And again, better planning saves money because the customers can purchase replacement parts in advance and organize and maintain the worker's schedule. The field operations from the customers can, for example, use live view and enable connected worker to go to the field like more connected, so less time to keep looking for the information. So a connected worker means less time seeking for info, then money saved again for the customers. And of course, at the end of the day, it can be an entrance gate for other solutions like J5 and SDX, for example.
Smart Electrical allow to structure a breakdown of telecom space, tower and tower sectors, define access right per any level of the breakdown structure, configure standard libraries of telecom equipment and any type of cables, use Smart Electrical block diagram with drag and drop capabilities to develop a network diagram using predefined library of graphical symbols, automatically index equipment and cable, tag equipment and cable based on predefined naming convention, perform detailed modeling of cable connection, produce various deliverables like a network block diagram, cable schedule, equipment indexes, and various bill of materials as needed.